So good morning guys. So today is 16th of November. It's a rainy day. I'm in Naples, Italy. I came here for pursuing my masters in autonomous vehicle engineering. So I'm trying to make my first vlog as a master's student. So today I'm going to my university for a small job and then have an early lunch as we have lectures today before 12 p.m. and then come back to our campus to the lecture. And I'm here with my friend, classmate, roommate Sandeep.
Hi guys, nice meeting you.
So you are going to travel with me. So let's see how it goes. We're in the metro right now and we are waiting for the train to come. The weather is too windy and rainy today, so we have to take care. Right now we are heading into the university. We are in the metro.
Into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
So then, why?
So guys, we completed our work in university and had a quick lunch. As we have a class by 12:30 that we have to attend for sure. So we have to take the metro again and go back to the campus now.
Usually it's something that moves.
Good evening, guys. So it was a hectic day. We just completed our works and lectures on time. Just a second. So now we have to make dinner for ourselves and study for a while. I hope I'll catch you later. So yeah, we are back into the video. So we are preparing some dinner. I'll show you my roommates. Okay, let's head into the kitchen right now. I think my roommates are already making something for me. This is Rahul Reddy from Vijayawada. He's studying data science in the same university that I'm studying right now.
Hi.
And this is Kaushik. He's from Tamil Nadu and he's studying transportation engineering in the same university. You know him as well. He's Sandeep. So Rahul, what are you preparing for us today?
Just now we started cooking and now we are going to prepare puliyogre and the rice is also completed, just we have to mix it.
Okay, what is this thing?
It's a direct mix that we have to mix it with rice.
Okay, I hope it's good to taste.
Yeah, I think so.
Thank you. So guys, we just finished our dinner and I would like to study for myself for a while.
It helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he described by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
So this is the end of my first vlog, guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you do like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And thank everyone who helped me in making this vlog successful. I hope it's successful. And yeah, thank you. Good night. Peace.